live. I hope you guys can hear me. Can you hear me? You can respond there. Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's go live, guys. Let's go live. Let's go live. Are we here? We can. You guys hear me? Is everything good? Ho, ho, ho. Awesome, awesome, awesome night tonight. It is the beginning of a new bull market. Can you guys hear me? Everything okay? I can see it here. Yeah, skip my ads. Okay, I'm there. I seem to be there. I can hear myself. Let me turn on the camera. Why am I not turning on the camera? Let's go and turn on the cameras here, guys. Okay, can you guys see me? Here I am with my Sennheiser. With my Sennheiser. I hope you guys can hear me. I have opened my door here on this 32nd floor. Give me some air so that I get air on this hot night. Man, it is really hot, but man, markets are even hotter. I mean, what else could be better than a hot market? So let's talk about that hot market. The cold crypto market. Oh, what happened to crypto, man? It suddenly froze. Altcoins were basically sold off. Let's see here. I'm just going to open here Cointelegraph, CoinDesk, and all that. What is the support now? Where's Bitcoin going? Doesn't look to be a very good June, right? At least seasonal wise. So can you guys hear me? Hope you guys can hear me now. One moment here. Let me get all this thing. Bitcoin seasonal. June is not really good. June is not really good. So I'm just going to take a look at that. And yeah, let's see how we go here. June. Oh, it doesn't look good, guys. It does not look good at all. Doesn't look good at all. So let's see where it goes, because we need to know this if we are going to be successful. Okay, let's see seasonality in Bitcoin. Yes, yeah, we need to see the seasonality in Bitcoin so that we know at least where the markets are going to. One moment, I think we can start very, very soon here. Okay, we don't have it here. I'm just going to look for the seasonality chart for Bitcoin, okay? Seasonality, going to talk a bit about Bitcoin, but again, I think it's all about the bull market, right? Man, this bull market is going crazy. Seasonality, Bitcoin seasonality. Let's go here. Let's have here. Where is my Bitcoin seasonality thing? Oh my God, I don't see it. Where is it going to? Ooh. Yeah, June seasonality is never good. Let me find that out. And how is everyone doing today? One moment. Bitcoin seasonality. I'm just finding Bitcoin seasonality here. Seasonality and Bitcoin. Yeah, we need to know this favors Bitcoin and stocks. And let's see here. Let's see here, guys. Let's see here, because this will give us a better understanding and a better chance of actually being successful, right? But I don't see this Bitcoin seasonality here. I'm still trying to find it so that you guys can see what's going to happen in June, right? Seasonality in cryptocurrency markets. They have so many things, but seasonality of Bitcoin. Seasonality, all about crypto seasonality. Yeah, but you're not showing it. Let's see. I don't know why they don't have it here. I find it in Twitter. I'm going to find it in Twitter, okay? And then we can start. So join us. One moment here. Bitcoin seasonality. Okay, go here. I'm just going to look at the seasonality factors here. Oh, okay, we found it. We found it, guys. Okay, are we ready to start now? Okay, let's go and start here. So how is everyone doing? How are you? We are in a new bull market. Can you hear me? Because I'm opening my door here. It's so hot. Can you hear me? Toot, 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 toot. Okay, and if you can hear me, then please join I have two groups now. I have a Telegram group for English with I am targeting. I'm just building that. One is for Malay, right? Sensei Shukri, the dots and Sensei Shukri OE, that is for Malay. That is really targeting this, right? Then I'm targeting more of the IPOs and stocks. And for the English part, which I'm building now, JDV Forex, go into JDV and CryptoVaderX.OE. That is more of the cryptocurrency side. So let's start now. And let's change the thing to the most important thing. News of all is that, hey, the S&P 500 is now in a bullish market. Let's go here now. Let's see what's happening on the seasonals. And then we can go on the Bitcoin and side of it because we have two different stories. So here is one of the most awesome news today. Or last week, the S&P 500 has entered a bull market. Here's what history says next. Hey, what happened? 248 trading days. The recent run to bull market was the longest bear run since 1948. Hey, survived. So what happens next? Research from S&P 500 rises 92% of the time in the 12 months following the start of a bull market. Okay. Compared to the historical 75% average over any 12-month period. So we have 92% of going up higher. This is good. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, this is the DJI. Okay, the NASDAQ has definitely gone up by a lot here. So what is going to happen next? This is what we want to know. Again, in order to do this, what we need to do is not go to this. We need to go to the stocks, right? Stocks Fear and Greed Index to see what is happening there. And again, as we know this, we need to see where it is. And of course, something that is extremely greedy is going to be very, very concerning. Fear and greed. Yes, we are extremely greedy. Please be careful here. Next, what we're going to do is, this is top-down analysis. I don't want to see Bitcoin here. I would want to see the S&P 500 here. So what is happening to the S&P 500 here? Clearly, we are in a melt up, okay? We are in a melt up. We're at 4.3, but look at this. And this is what I think in this run here, anything could happen. Of course, if you have to look at Forex Factory, what is happening this week? What's happening this week is also very, very critical because we have the FOMC meeting. Everyone now is kind of saying that this is going to be a pause by the Fed, because if they pause, then they can set up July for being hawkish, right? If not, it's like, okay, July can go anywhere. And look at Wednesday, we got a core PPI. And oh, look at this. This is very critical on Tuesday. So this is a news-filled week. So what do I think would happen? It's going to be like this. June is not very good for the markets, but of course, we could have a scare to the upside first. That can happen anytime now. And this is going to be called Momo to FOMO. Momo to FOMO. Now, if the Fed goes hawkish, it's a different story. We'll fall, because look at this. Go up, fall, go up, fall. It's a staircase. Go up, fall, go up. Okay. You know the deal. But will it do that? Will it do a Momo first? What is a Momo? It's going to melt up. 4.3. I see the next one here. Why? Because the Momo will lead to a FOMO. Momentum leads to FOMO. People don't want to miss out. They chase it up to here before it goes down. But look at this stair. It's a nice staircase. Okay, look at that. It breaks. It breaks. It has to break this, guys. It just has to break. That's my analysis on the S&P for you guys in the private session. Of course, we're going to have a live trading session on Wednesday to see what I am going to do and the positions that I am going to take leading up to the FOMC. It is a big week now. So, but the next big news now, let's go into crypto now. Now, crypto is a different story. We've had some shocks in crypto, okay? Yeah, let's be enough of this. So let's go here. The fear and greed index in crypto, look at that. It has fallen down. It's fallen down to neutral. Last week it was neutral, but it's fallen down. It's been chopping everywhere. But again, we saw down here, especially the altcoins were really battered. Let's see what's happening on cryptos here. I'm going to go here and I am going to go to and see Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to see Bitcoin now. Look at the altcoins going down. Look at that altcoin index just going down. A firm supposedly just melted down these altcoins. Okay, especially the ones that were implicated in the SEC primarily. Okay, and these are some of the primary things. These, I've been hearing ADA. I've been hearing Matic. I've also been hearing Sol, to the extent that some of those robots, there are a lot of people running robots, especially for crypto. They were literally, basically went MC. And it's not like medical leave or medical clearance or whatever, right? You just got liquidated. Okay, you just got liquidated on the robots because all these three happening because of the liquidation, or people were selling because Robinhood, right? Robinhood aren't going to be trading these cryptos anymore. So these bore the brunt of the sell-off, and a lot of robots also were liquidated. So, this is kind of like a black swan event. It shows you that anything can happen, which is why you should always be careful when dealing with this. Now, what is happening now to Bitcoin? You guys are interested in Bitcoin, right? Let's see in Bitcoin here. Where is Bitcoin going? Okay. The bet is that it goes down, right? Goes down, and then we are not in a good seasonal season. Okay, although the S&P looks good and could be endangered by this thing that I call Momo to FOMO before we flip to negative, Bitcoin looks, hey, I want to go negative. And this is where, if I'm going to see where it might go to, I just have to pull out this thing longer term. June last year, I see the support here. Where is it going to? Okay, that's one. Is that, yeah, what is that? That is an order block there, 23. But I also see this. Where does this lead to? I have no idea where this leads to. That's about 22, guys. That's about 22. That's XBT or BTC to about 22. Okay, so be careful out there. Okay, now let's go back to more happy news, right? What's happening with the S&P 500 here? A lot of good things have been going on. I like to see this, because of this melt up, this overperformance of all this AI. Okay, so again, AI is really driving this rally. Okay, AI is driving this rally. Guys, if you are not in, please go into either of my Telegram groups, because on Sunday, the 18th, I am going to have a free AI class where I help my guys go into the best niche. It's $1 million niche. I'm only targeting like making 1 million ringgit in AI, right? It is $1 million niche, and you need to know this niche where you can make $1 million ringgit, $1 million if you're into the US dollar thing, without even trading with AI. Okay, so again, please go into my groups, and I will put down, I will put down the links there. Okay, go into either Telegram group, follow my TikTok. So what else is happening here in terms of this? Let me look. Bullish market trend, but Fed meeting looms. Yes, this is what they do. Boeing leads 5 Dow Jones giants near buy points. So are we saying that now the Dow is even going to go up? The Dow has been the weakest of all. Okay, so again, if this is going to go down, I would want to be short on the NASDAQ, although, maybe people say, hey, you should be short on the Dow, right? You should be short on the Dow. The new bull market has legs. These are 5 questions investors should ask now that the bear markets is officially over. Yeah, I want to ask this question. Let's see what questions they has. There's more upside left in stocks after the new bull market started Thursday, according to BOFA. I think the targets are about 4750. After crossing 20% mark from the bottom, 92% of the time in the next 12 months, it looks good, even May next year. Then you can sell in May and go away if you want to do that. Above is October closing low. So again, could continue. Yeah, I believe continue, but I do expect a pause in June, but we might have a Momo, FOMO, melt up first, okay? So again, what will it take to, okay? So what is happening now? I know now, why why this market could Momo up, momentum up through FOMO is this, it goes up, people panic, people FOMO, and they drive it higher until no one drives it higher. I think is this because a lot of people are being left out. They didn't join this rally, okay? So there was a wall of worry. So as long as they are negative, the markets have a chance to go up. See, they are now saying, hey, should I do this? Should I do this? Should I put the index in the market? And as long as we have that, guess what? The market tends to go up. I've seen this before. This is called climbing the wall of worry. So again, people are saying equal weighted index. They're looking at all this. What stocks are rival? Why is the S&P trading at 20x? Well, again, I think at the end of the day, this has caught a lot of people by surprise. And I think now the most important thing that no one has talked about yet, but I'm going to talk to you now because I've seen this happen. I think there is a reconfiguration of the economy, okay? Just like the dot-com boom in the 1990s, okay? So a lot of things now are not going to make sense, okay? And soon, it's like AI will make us more productive and all that. AI might also result in a loss of jobs, but that's kind of okay, right? Because companies are getting more productive. So that's kind of good, but I haven't seen reports leading to that. I expect to see most reports later in the year that will justify this because I think this AI boom is similar to the dot-com boom that we had in the late 1990s. And look at the end of the day, the CAPEX are semis and select software companies that can provide AI services, but not all tech wins. Many need to spend just to remain competitive. So again, it's all about AI, and AI. It's all about virtual reality. And look at this, Meta platforms, Sony, Apple, advanced micro devices. This is interesting. Apple, because of the AR vision. And look at that. Just look at that move there. And of course, AMD is another chip. So you have NVIDIA, you have AMD, and also you have Marvell, right? The three choices for the stocks that people can really invest in. So as long as we have this worry, I'm thinking that I still think that this is going to be a period where we need a correction to go higher. I'm betting on that correction, but I will not be surprised that we have a melt up. Okay, so let's see what I do this week. I'm still thinking of shorting the index, shorting the S&P 500 on the right day, but you got to be careful of the FOMC. If they pause, will it go up, or is the gain already built in the expectations of the pause so that even if they sound a little bit hawkish, it might go down again for a much well-needed correction so that we can move higher later in July and August in the fall. That is what I am really looking at. Okay, now the next thing that I am concerned, so S&P, no concern. I'm doing this, okay? I'm saying whatever happens to the S&P, I'll be happy. If it goes up, it goes up, If it goes down, I can buy lower, right? I can buy lower. I can buy good stocks like Apple, like AMD, like NVIDIA, and these are not our small AI stocks like NVIDIA, like Marvell, like Meta platforms, even C3 AI. So if it goes up, well, I have to wait till it goes down. And when it goes down, I buy lower and then it goes up. And that is really my conclusion for the S&P 500. What is more of a concern to me now is our good old crypto. So you see, this is kind of weird. So we saw that when the US had banking problems, Bitcoin went up. So Bitcoin is now like a risk-off kind of thing, right? And when the US, the markets are doing well, guess what? Bitcoin goes down. Okay, and of course the SEC attacking Bitcoin, and no, they're not attacking Bitcoin. They're attacking the coins or the tokens that are deemed as securities. Okay, so those that are not securities are okay. Like Sol, ADA, Matic in sudden moves after this, right, was sent to Binance and Coinbase ahead of 30% slide. Oh, they were selling. Wow, they were selling. Wow, people were selling. Insiders. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. So Sol, ADA, and Matic tokens are the one that are really bearing the brunt of all of this, unfortunately, okay? But there are some really good coins. Let's see what's happening here that are not securities, you know. For example, here you can see Bitcoin 35,775, Ethereum not really going anywhere. You know, there are some really good coins that are not deemed as securities. For example, Polkadot. Yeah, Polkadot is not deemed a security. Polkadot has been working with the SEC for quite a long time. So that's kind of good. So maybe we got to look at the coins that are not securities. Let's see what else is happening here. So just be careful of this, okay? It's really, really fun-packed FOMC statement. What do we have here? Nothing much. No, I don't have anything there. Friday, monetary policy. No, that's yen. Nothing else. USD. No. UM consumer, University of Michigan consumer sentiment. It all happens on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Going to be an exciting week, okay? I want to see what's happening in CoinDesk now. This is not good. This is like, hey, something is going on here. Yeah, look at this. This is the thing that Robinhood ends all support for all tokens named in SEC lawsuit. So this is what bore the brunt of it. Cardano, Matic, and also Solana. Okay, and this bore the brunt later. And that caused a lot of robots to really, really get liquidated because I don't know, you guys like Cardano, Polygon, and Solana, is it to run on your robots? That must be the case because I think if you were running other pairs, I'm not sure. I'm not a robot expert. I don't know. It should survive. After the delisting, the platform will offer the trading of 15 different cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin is okay. Avalanche is okay. I'm surprised. So guys, buy Avalanche. Support Cornell University. Let's see. Oh, here it is. So these are not, this, okay. So except those three, these are not securities. Aave, Avalanche, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. Okay, this is a security, Chainlink, Compound. This, okay, Ethereum Classic and Litecoin are okay, right? I guess so. So yeah, you got to be careful of this, guys. You got to be careful of this because it's really going to hit us. Let's see what Cointelegraph now has to say. Bitcoin, Coinbase, that was another thing last week. There was a lawsuit on Bitcoin and Coinbase. Securities is this. Securities is like a stock. It's like when you issue the token. Now, this is good. Okay, now this is good. Let me tell you why this is good in the long run. When you it has to do with the Howey test. For example, when you issue a token, like I issue a token to you. I issue a token called Sensei to you, right? I issue a token. I sell it in an IDO, but you can profit from my work. That means I'm doing it. The thing is going up. You just sit there and just shake your leg. That is a security. Another way, it's not really centralized. I am doing the work to push up the token. That is not good. Now, the thing with this is Bitcoin obviously is decentralized, you know. You really can't control it, right? Really supply and demand and all that. And it kind of moves up to the markets. And of course, during the Gary Gensler's days in Massachusetts Institute of Technology, I think he already mentioned that Bitcoin is not a security and neither is Ethereum. Okay, so that has been very, very clear. But these things where you buy, that means you buy to get the 100x, that is kind of deemed a security. Now, the good news about this, how do people avoid this security and no security thing? This is what I'd have the best, guys, airdrops. I think in the future, we might have more airdrops. We might have more airdrops to avoid this SEC thing, or they're just not going to do it in the US. They're going to list somewhere else, right? Airdrops might go up, and maybe ICOs or IDOs or whatever might go down. So this is the other issue here. I think it's good for us, right? ICOs, IDOs. I know you guys were very frustrated when SUI went for an ICO or IDO instead of the airdrop, right? So we might see more of these in the future. This is good. This is good. That means we have to do the work together with the company. And when they airdrop to us, it can go anywhere, right? It can go anywhere. And that is not deemed a security. And even the US dollar, right? Ooh, what is this? Binance CEO. What is this? What do you mean they can't find him? I just saw something there. They can't find him. Are they looking for him? What is that? Okay. Double down on community support. Okay, where is CZ, guys? Where is CZ? Where did he go to? Oh, this is interesting. Binance Coinbase hate to court. Okay. Bitcoin price about 3 months low as crypto dive liquidates. Yeah, this is the liquidation that happened during the weekend. A lot of people got liquidated, guys. So very sorry for that. But we got to rebuild. Okay. US will find right outcome for crypto. Why is the crypto market down today? Yeah, here. And there was also a suspension on Binance of USD services. Okay, so you can't put USD. The Binance CEO is rumored to be in Dubai, but no known base of operations. So they can't serve his lawyers on his behalf. That's funny. Oh, they want to find him to serve the lawsuit. Okay, is seeking alternative service from the U.S. District Court to issue a legal summons to him because they cannot find him in Dubai. Okay, go and hide, CZ. So they were recently sued by this. So again, all of this, I mean, you guys, I know we're panicking a little bit, and justifiably so. Justifiably so. But we've seen this again and again, right? And we've seen this in Ripple before. Okay? We've seen this in Ripple before. What happened in Ripple? What happened in Ripple? Okay, let's go back. Okay. Everyone was panicking last time, right? Let's see what happened in Ripple, guys. What happened in Ripple and all of this, okay? Because if you read the the lawsuit document is very long. What happened in Ripple? The process took many years. The process took many years. I don't know who's going to win now. They say Ripple's going to win. They say Ripple's going to lose. They say Ripple has a good chance of winning. After how many years? And we've heard this before. And we heard this during the bull market. And then we heard this during the bear market. And then we heard this now. So this is a long winding process that I think is going to take many, many years to resolve itself. It's just now there is the initial panic. Plus, there is a natural down cycle of Bitcoin in June. Am I surprised? No. I already told you that the charts clearly show where Bitcoin is going. Okay. So again, let's see what else we have here. What do you have here? Yeah, Robinhood, and this is the guy, guys. This is the guy. This Robinhood is having problems, and they just are not gonna. They delisted those tokens, and that came out, and really had a big impact on the other tokens. The funny thing was, about this Sol, Matic, and ADA. I hope I am teaching you something, because I was looking at the robots there that were running, and on Friday, as early as Friday, now take this thing really seriously, guys. As early as Friday, people were saying that, hey, market is down, but our robot is still giving gains. Okay. I did not feel comfortable then. I said, okay, guys, I was basically saying, hey, I've been through this before. I don't have any robot running, by the way. Just to want to be upfront with you guys. No. I was saying that no. In the past, we know what happened, right? These are early warning sign, and bam, bam, bam on Saturday, boom. So just be careful when you hear of this. When you hear of the early signs of destruction coming, my advice is get out. If you do not get out, then you must be ready to accept the loss. If you're ready to accept the loss, that's okay. The problem is that this is not a hodling loss. This is a liquidation loss. If it's a hodling loss, and you say that we are going into the bull market and it may recover, or there's other news and it may recover, that's a different thing altogether, right? But a liquidation loss is a liquidation loss. It's really it's really bad, and it can really fool around with your psychology, which is not good. Okay. Summer smackdown. What is this? SEC summer crackdown, Bitcoins, spatial computing. But again, what I see happening here is that the US cannot go and really depress this new technology, blockchain technology, because China is catching up with it. Don't tell me the US is going to cede this to China. I don't think so. And with AI, combining with Web3, I'm sure a lot of new things will happen. I like this South Korean chip sector because South Korean is one of the bellwethers of technology for Asia. Okay, Samsung, right? Because Samsung is now the biggest chip maker, and then after that is Intel. So whatever the South Koreans do, we must see. In fact, we want to see a rebound in the North Asian markets that are a lot of technology focused. It usually starts with Seoul. Okay, let's see this discussion. See, I told you Samsung, right? Samsung. What is he saying here? CEO of ChatGPT met with the South Korean president on June 9, urged South Korea to play a leading role in manufacturing the chips needed for AI. Aha. Samsung. Okay, what are you saying? Are you going against NVIDIA? Where do they list Samsung, guys? Anybody knows? Don't know what I'm saying about. I have to see whether the ADRs, okay, I'm going to find the ADRs here. Embark on a journey across Europe to engage with policymakers and leaders to discuss potential and challenges of AI, has now extended his travels to include Israel. Yeah, I think I heard about that because Israel has a very highly innovative and very technology focused technology focused workforce. Jordan, okay, cool. Qatar, UAE, India, no surprises, software here, and also South Korea. Increase investment in Korean startups. Interesting. Hey, where's Malaysia, guys? Where's Malaysia and Singapore? If Malaysia can get it, Singapore, go and get it. We're like Manchester here, you know. Although I'm a Manchester United fan, I'm okay if Manchester City wins as long as Liverpool don't win it. Sorry to say that. So AI relies on transferring large volumes of data, leading to increased demand for memory chips. Okay, that's definitely. He's currently utilized chips from Taiwan TSMC. There will be a need for supply of chips for Korea in the future. Cool. Generative AI led by ChatGPT. This is interesting. Establishing an office in Japan. Oh, okay. Korea was among the earliest adopters of the service, exhibited remarkable creativity. So again, we're learning something every day. I said this is going to be an AI type 2000 rally, right? So what in the world am I going to do here? I'm going to go to financeyahoo.com and we're going to close this here, right? Because I just got to see TSMC, okay? Taiwan Semiconductor Company. Where is that? Where are you listed at? How come it doesn't tell me this? It doesn't tell me this. Yeah, it's in Taiwan, TSM. Okay, fine. I don't want to show this, right? It's in TSM. I want to find Samsung. TSM. So they get from Taiwan. This is cool. Okay, TSM. Where is it now? They've probably gone up to the moon. If it's gone up to the moon, I'm just going to take a look at it again. Just because I do expect a correction around here. So what do I do next? I just want to do year to date. Cool. Right? Just broke out. Okay, come on. Go back here. Go back below here. Okay. Not much here. Not much. Okay, now I'm going to see Samsung. I don't know. Do I have this? Do I have this in New York? I'm going to find it tomorrow. Okay, Samsung Electronics. So that's obviously in Korea. Blah 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 blah. Okay, let's see what are you doing in Korea? 72,001. Let's do that. Oh, see, everything is up. Everything is up, but not so up because this was like 53%, so 50%. So again, as I say, AI is going to lead the way. And the best thing to do now is that when I talk about this, I'm also not only going to talk about cryptos, I'm going to talk about AI also, right? You find the AI thing, you'll be able to locate the crypto things. In fact, maybe you find that small AI stock that's going to make you even more than crypto. That's also possible. So it is an exciting time. I believe that 99 are back. We are back. We're not there back in 1999, but the spirits of 1999 are here. Okay, spirits of 1999 are back. 1999 are back, and I feel that we are on the way, that we are going to that spirit of 1999 where momentum will create a lot of FOMO, and we're just going to go up to the moon. It's just that we are in a seasonally bearish period. So again, if you guys want to know more about AI, here it is. Follow these two. I'm going to drop the links here, okay? I'm going to drop the links here. Follow this the dots by Telegram group that is in Malay, or you want to go to English one. It is JDV Forex, Jemaah Darth Vader, and I'm going to see you on Sunday, and I have someone very special there. That this is going to be something that is really going to be really practical, where I show you how we do things in a niche to make ringgit 1 million, and it should be more. Do you have? I do. You just go there in the group, Ryan. Just say you're Ryan 525. Okay, cool. And I know, I think we are. Let me tell you what's going to happen on Sunday. I think this is a very interesting period. You know, I do a lot of things like, you know, I have to make this complete for you. I do have a mentorship. So this is what I have. Let me tell you what I have, okay? Like I'm going to teach things on AI this weekend. Are you asking me, do I have a mentorship on this? Specifically, no. But I am into this. Do I like charge for this? No, I don't. Because this is not my expertise, but it has to be my expertise because I want to find that thing that's going to go to the moon, right? So what you'll see on Sunday, if you join some of my courses, you know, when I ever go to the stocks in AI, you can also join, but I don't have a separate program to identify all these AI things, okay? I just don't have it. I really don't. Because to me, that is part of, I just need to do that. You understand what I mean? That is a prerequisite. That is just a prerequisite. And it wouldn't be fair to charge people for kind of prerequisites, okay? So again, join that JDV Forex. Join that, the dots there. Say, hey, Sensei, I'm Ryan25. Give me the link tomorrow to join your AI class on Sunday, where I'm targeted to make at least 250,000 US dollars or over 1 million ringgit in AI without even trading. And if we know AI, eventually we are going to know the AI stocks and everything else. Thank you very much, guys. I'm going to see you next week. And let's see what happens after the after the FOMC, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks, bye. Hey, beer here. 50 cents. What do you mean? I bought Matic at 69 cents, chef. I bought Matic at 69, you know. I bought Matic at 69. No. SEC, their task is to give our life difficulty, okay? Their task is to give our life difficulty. So I kind of like bought Matic at 69, and now it's 58, and now it's 61. Never mind. So again, guys, we got to know AI, okay? We really got to know AI. If we want to make a lot of money, you know, some of you will have enough capital to drive you to 1 million. Some of you will have enough capital to make a lot of money. But here's the thing. If you know AI, you will make it. It's a degree of making this much or this much. And when you know AI, as Dennis Barton knows this, as Dennis Barton know this, yeah. But I already bought it at 69, Dennis. So it's not like I had the mood to go and double down at 50. But you guys want to know, if you know AI, because AI, this is going to be like 1999 or 1996 until 2000, like that great dot-com boom. If you know AI, then I think it's only a question of how much you make. Because you can make this much, you can make this much, you can make this much. Okay? But you got to know AI first, because I don't know what you're going to buy. Are you going to buy the big AI stocks like TMSC and Samsung? Are you going to buy the smaller AI stocks like C3 AI? Are you going to buy the things that have not appeared yet, like an IDO, like a new stock in AI that can go to the moon? And the same thing with crypto too. You know, are you going to buy the existing ones, or are you going to buy the new ones? But whatever it is, I'm going to see you guys on Sunday. Sign up in my groups. It's AI all the way to drive our new meta here. Okay, guys, bye. See you. Bye.